Hello everyone, welcome to my channel Initial Solution. In this video, I'll show you how to fix Instagram login failed problem. So if you just enter here any kind of wrong information on this username box or password box, then you can see that kind of term that login failed. So in this situation, you have to go for in this password, forgot password. Then you have to enter your email, mobile number, or username, what you remember. So just if I go for my username, okay, then go for find account, and it takes you to your account and it sends you an email with your code to your email. So I have to just wait for a little bit for that mail. So I have that mail here. You can copy that code here, copy that code and just go for enter code here, or you can just go for reset your password from here and go for just once, and you can enter your new password here, go for continue, and you can log into your account on that process, which is so easy. So that's it. That's the process. You can get log into your account. Hope this video helped you. If it did, then please like, comment and share. Subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit the bell icon for more videos. Thank you.
This video is sponsored by Zerosoft. Zerosoft offers graphic design, UI UX design, digital marketing, and web development. Elevate your brand with Zerosoft today. For more details, check the description box.